Hello my Simon, so today I'll be unboxing this Logitech G305 Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse, which is blue. So multiple colors are available, including black, white, blue, lilac and mint, but all of them were out of order, out of stock, so then there was only blue, and I hate this color. I like the color blue, but not like on this mouse. Doesn't look nice. So the retail price is £51.99 and I got it for £20 from Smith's Toy Superstore. So I'm gonna open the box now. Oh, okay. So let me just. These are very good scissors. Can you see? Sarcasm. Okay, so let's get the mouse out. Hope I don't break it. Oh no, Father, there's a mouse on the table. Where? Right here. Wow, it comes with a battery included. So this is the mouse. So here we have a battery. We have some wires, and I'll tell you where to put the batteries. So you put the batteries in here, but let me talk about some other stuff first. Let me just get in there, Buster. Okay, so the dimensions are about, like, the height is 116.6 millimeters, the width is 62.15 millimeters, and the depth is 38.2 millimeters. The weight is 99G, and I found the sticker of Logitech on here. So the top cover can be detached, as I said. Inside the box is a manual, a battery, a sticker for some reason, the mouse, and the USB cable. So, wondering, where is the USB? It's right here. Wow, I found it. So, you can just directly put the USB receiver in your computer to automatically connect your mouse to the computer. But if you don't want to, you can get this USB cable, plug it in the computer, and then put the USB receiver inside of the USB cable. So plug that in. Wow, automatically I can watch cat memes. Wow. Okay, so let me just get that out. And you also put the battery in here, like that. But you have to put it more in. So let me just put that back in. Logitech is very nice. I have like a lot of Logitech things in my house. So this is the very nice mouse. And then we got Play Your Way. Okay. Wow. This mouse is the same as this one, but there's just a light coming out of his butt. So this is not a manual. I think this is like, buy some more of our products, please. And this is another mouse which does not light up at the butt. And there's this cool looking headphones that are not circle like all the other ones. This one's rectangle or square or something. And this one, very cool keyboard. I think it makes very nice sounds. buttons, like this one. Okay, so that one's nice, but on to the very boring manual. It's about important safety, compliance, and warranty information. Okay, we don't need that. I mean, maybe. So, and the top cover can be detached. You see? Yeah, like that. So, here is if you want to turn it on, and here is when you want to turn it off when you finish using it. Wow, the very lightest touch. It can just click. Buttons. So there are a total of 6 buttons on here. So there's a power button at the bottom to turn on or off the mouse. The indicator here, I think. Oh no, here. It will light on to notify the user when 15% of the battery remains. These are the left click and the right click buttons. This is the DPI button, and there are 2 sides button on the left. So, from my experience of a mouse, this one is go backwards on the page you are using. This one is go forwards, I think. Yeah, go forwards on your page. So, you can use the Logitech gaming software to set up these buttons to execute complex actions. The resolution is in the range of 212,000 dots per inch, and the maximum speed is 400 inches per second. So, I move it around on this classic table. It's very, very smooth. Even though there's like little bumpies, it can still go around like a lot, and it makes a lot of noise because this is plastic. So, this is the light when there is only 15% left of battery. So thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe, and you might like this mouse. So bye bye.